have been doing this hairstyle for like forever because it's very simple. It's just a quick updo hairstyle, which I'm gonna go straight into the video and show you guys how I got this hairstyle. You don't really need a lot of stuff in order to get this hairstyle done, okay? So with that being said, you guys, let me go straight into the video and show you guys how I got this style. So I had washed my hair, and after I washed my hair, I braided my hair into 6 jumbo braids just to make sure everything is nice and detangled. After washing my hair, I had applied only leave-in conditioner. That's all I applied before braiding my hair. So I'm basically just loosening my hair out after probably like 5 hours. I had these braids in just to, you know, let my hair dry. It's not fully dried, but it's like 95% dried, so it's a little bit moist, which is okay. So I'm just gonna go straight into, you know, fingering my hair just to get it a little bit thicker and loosening it up a little bit so I could prepare to, you know, do this hairstyle. You want to make sure that your hair is fully detangled, of course, so you could be able to put your finger through your hair. And also, you guys, the bigger the hair, the better for this hairstyle. Yeah. So what I'm doing now, I'm like positioning my hair in the direction of how I want it to be, just getting a feel of what side, if I want it on the left or the right side. That's all I'm doing right here. So now that I did that and I have decided what I wanted to do, I'm going in with the Eco Styling Gel. That's the olive oil, you guys. I'm gonna put some Eco Gel around the edges of my hair, at the front, the back, the side, everywhere. You want to make sure that you get all that frizz in, and that's basically what's gonna make your hair look nice and neat. So I'm going to basically clear the ending of my hair, the end, because you want to make sure that you have all that fluffy, thick, you know, it's like a big look that you're looking for. So you want to make sure everything is nice and detangled, and you have a lot. You want the illusion of, you know, a lot of hair going on at the top right there. So that's what I'm doing, trying to clear up my ends, detangle the ends real good so it could look very big. So now that we brushed the entire hair around, it's very nice and neat now. We're going to work on the top and try to finish this look. And don't worry about the back, you guys. I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to improve the back. But for now, we're going to try to section this little hair at the top right here, just to put hair band so it could be a little bit tight. Some people don't use hair bands, they just use bobby pin, but for my hair, since my hair is mad thick, I prefer to use a hair band at the top. So I'm just brushing the back so it could look a little bit more neater, and then I'm going in with the scrunchie. You guys find the smallest scrunchie you possibly can, or use a rubber band. That way it's gonna be easier for you to grip the hair and put the scrunchie in at the same time. So this is where I'm putting in the scrunchie. As you guys can see, it's not much hair that I'm putting in the scrunchie, it's just a little bit, just to give it that illusion. You basically not gonna be able to tell if it's a scrunchie in there after you fix your hair, because your hair is so thick it's gonna hide the squingy, so it's not gonna look like you have a squingy in there. Anyways, I'm going in with my comb, trying to buff it up a little bit more, so you know that hair in the squingy, you have to pull it a little bit, tug it, whatever you can, so it could loosen up a little bit, so it could get a little bigger and blend in with the rest of the hair. And that's all I did, you guys. So for the rest of the hairstyle, I'm gonna show you guys what I do to improvise on the back of my hair, because I know, you know, because it was a little difficult. As I said, my hair was thick, so the back might have like, you know, loose hair at the back and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys what I do. So thank you guys so much. Continue watching the rest of the video. Hope you enjoyed.